Just a really quick video for anybody that has the Loklik cutter machine and has struggled with the firmware update. I tried to do the firmware update and it failed midway through, and the machine looked like it was dead, but the red light was on underneath the blade bit. If you keep it plugged into the USB and the power, go back into the software and try and connect to it via the device firmware update bit again. Go to firmware update and click the little USB. It'll come up with a random device name. Select that, go through the update process again, keep that power button held down. It won't light up, but if you go through it, it will update the firmware and the machine will come back to life. I couldn't find any information about this, but that worked for me, and now the machine is turned on again. So hopefully that is the fix and hopefully you find this and it works for you.